Yes, thank you very much. A lot has been covered by my colleagues, but I want to put something straight, very clear, about the CEO coming in and giving the chairman Chebukati a 3-page, I think it was a 3-page or a 4-page paper document. And he gives him, they didn't talk. He looked at this paper and he said, oh, we have a winner. And then we are now trying to see who is the winner. And then he says it is the deputy president. He walks out of the boardroom, goes to his office, and comes back generously with documents for each one of us. That document was a summary of county data. It was not the result for 34C. 34C is the result. Now, looking at the document, and we asked, Mr. Chairman, how do I know when I actually...
Nyang'Aya, with all due respect...
No, let me finish, please, because this is important.
Let me guide Commissioner.
Yeah.
We did guide that we do not want to reopen the Supreme Court matter.
I agree, but you asked a question, sir.
It's a question that you want you to answer,
yes,
not the process, as it were. Because
and so
there are the things you said in your affidavits, maybe litigated in court. Please don't take
maybe just summarize.
But
that bit of Chebukati coming with things here.
Now that one. And so when now we thank you very much. And now then when we ask the question, what he said is this: the law gives me the responsibility to announce and declare results. And we said, but you can only do that from what we have verified. And we didn't actually know what had been verified. So he said, listen, people have been waiting the whole day.
You didn't know what had been tallied or verified?
We did not know what had been tallied.
Yeah, because verified was...
Yes, we didn't know. Because it is summarized in a county format, not constituency format as we had been announcing. And so he says, the law gives me the responsibility to go and declare results. And we asked, but Mr. Chairman, is this the commission result or this is your result? And he said, anybody who wants to work with me to declare results, follow me. And we are not children. And I realize that you did make a bit of a fuss around the word arrogance. So I am not going to use it. But that's how we felt. And Chebukati walked out and we were left because in the boardroom. And that's what I want to make very clear, that we were left in the boardroom. Amongst us, therefore, we said...
Allow me, Nyang'Aya, now that you have gone into the details, was that before or after the National Security Advisory Council set foot in Bomas?
It was at 4:30. The National Security had come at about 2 o'clock.
Okay.
We had finished with...
And just also by way of follow-up, so by